She kept stopping, but she did it. Look at her. We want to roll in the grass. Come, Charlie Wally. Charles. What are you doing over there, MeeMee? What are you rolling in? You better not be rolling in nothing nasty. Nothing nasty. Come on, you're a good girl. Come on, Mama. Come, Charles. Charlie Wally. Come on, MeeMee. Come on. Look at the birds. I should have bought some bird seed over here, but I didn't. I forgot there's a lot of birds over here, too. If we walk this way tomorrow, I'll bring some. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy.